Did you know that despite the increasing frequency of natural disasters, a significant portion of the global population remains unprepared? In 2024 alone, over 150 unprecedented climate disasters struck worldwide, causing massive destruction and displacement. This alarming trend reveals a critical gap in our readiness for emergencies. In today's unpredictable world, cultivating a survival mindset is essential. Thinking like a prepper isn't about expecting doomsday. It's about being prepared for the unexpected challenges life may throw our way. But there's a problem. Many people believe that prepping is only for extreme survivalists. But the truth is, emergencies can happen to anyone at any time. Yet, a shocking number of people still lack even the most basic preparedness plans. So, what does it take to develop a survival mindset? It comes down to three key principles: resourcefulness, learning to use what you have and think creatively in any situation; adaptability, staying flexible and adjusting to unexpected challenges; strategic planning, preparing in advance for potential risks and knowing exactly what to do. For example, simply having a well-stocked emergency kit and a solid evacuation plan can make all the difference when disaster strikes. Now let's talk about the ultimate test of survival mindset. Consider the harrowing story of Aaron Ralston. In April 2003, while hiking alone in Utah's Blue John Canyon, an 800-pound boulder shifted, trapping his right arm against the canyon wall. For 127 agonizing hours, he was stuck, dehydrated, exhausted, and losing hope. But instead of giving up, he made an unthinkable choice. With a dull pocket knife, he amputated his own arm to free himself. Afterward, he rappelled down a 60-foot cliff and hiked 5 miles until he finally found help. His story is a powerful reminder that survival isn't just about physical strength. It's about mental resilience and the will to live. The takeaway? Embracing a survival mindset isn't about fear, it's about empowerment. By being resourceful, adaptable, and prepared, you can confidently face whatever comes your way. Now, we want to hear from you. Share your best survival tips in the comments below, and don't forget to check out our next video on essential prepping supplies. Stay prepared. Stay safe.